Ever scrolled through your Venmo feed and seen a sea of default gray icons? Ever wondered why some people have those cool, personalized profile pictures while others don't? And more importantly, have you been meaning to add your own picture but just haven't gotten around to it? Well, you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving into the super simple process of adding a profile picture to your Venmo account. It's one of those little things that can make a big difference, adding a touch of personality and making it easier for your friends and family to recognize you when you're sending or receiving payments. Think about it. When you get a payment request, wouldn't it be nice to see the smiling face of your friend Sarah instead of just a generic silhouette? Or when you're splitting a bill with a group, wouldn't it be easier for everyone to identify their transactions if everyone had a clear profile picture? Absolutely. Adding a profile picture isn't just about aesthetics, though. It's also about building trust and clarity within the Venmo community. In a world of digital transactions, that little visual cue can go a long way in confirming you're interacting with the right person. So, whether you're a Venmo newbie or a longtime user who's finally ready to personalize your account, stick around. We're going to walk through the steps, nice and easy, so you can get your picture up in no time. Trust me, it's simpler than sending a Venmo request. Alright, let's get started. Grab your phone, open up your Venmo app, and let's do this together. The first thing you're going to want to do, naturally, is to launch the Venmo application on your smartphone. Look for the blue and white V icon. That's your gateway to all things Venmo. Tap it, and you'll be taken to your main feed, where you see your recent transactions and those of your friends, depending on your privacy settings, of course. Now, to access your profile, you'll typically find a profile icon or your current, or default, picture located in one of the corners of the screen. It's usually in the top left or top right corner. Tap on this icon. This will take you directly to your profile page. Once you're on your profile page, you'll likely see your name and username displayed prominently. Right around where your profile picture should be, you'll probably see that familiar gray silhouette or perhaps a placeholder image if you've tried to add a picture before but haven't finalized it. Look for an option to edit profile or a similar phrase. It might be a button or a link located near your profile information. Tap on this. This will open up the settings that allow you to modify various aspects of your Venmo profile, including, you guessed it, your profile picture. On the Edit Profile screen, you should see an option specifically related to your profile picture. It might say something like Add Profile Picture, Change Profile Picture, or simply display the current placeholder image with an indication that you can tap on it to make changes. Go ahead and tap on that option. Now, here's where you get to choose your visual representation on Venmo. The app will likely give you a couple of options for selecting your new profile picture. Typically, you'll be able to either take a photo using your phone's camera or choose from Library, or something similar, to select an existing photo from your phone's gallery. If you're feeling spontaneous and want a brand new picture, tap on Take a Photo. Your camera app will open up, and you can snap a selfie or have someone else take a picture of you. Make sure the lighting is good and you're happy with the shot. Once you've taken the picture, you'll usually have an option to review it and either retake it or confirm that you want to use it. If you prefer to use a photo you've already taken, maybe a great headshot, a fun picture with friends, or even a picture of your pet, hey, it's your profile, then tap on the Choose from Library option. This will open up your phone's photo gallery, and you can scroll through your images to find the perfect one. Once you've selected your photo, you'll likely be given the opportunity to crop and adjust it. Venmo usually presents a circular frame for your profile picture, so you'll want to make sure the most important part of your photo fits nicely within that circle. You can typically zoom in or out and reposition the image until it looks just right. After you're satisfied with how your photo looks within the frame, there will usually be a button or an option to save, apply, or done. Tap on this to finalize your new profile picture. And just like that, voila! Your profile picture should now be updated on your Venmo account. You should see it reflected on your profile page, and it will now be visible to your friends and anyone you transact with on Venmo. Take a moment to admire your handiwork. Doesn't that look much better than the default icon? Now, a few extra tips to keep in mind when choosing your Venmo profile picture. Keep it recognizable. The primary goal of your profile picture is to help people identify you. So, choose a photo where your face is clearly visible. Avoid pictures where you're too far away, wearing heavy disguises, or where your face is obscured in shadow. Keep it appropriate. Venmo is a platform for financial transactions, so it's generally a good idea to keep your profile picture relatively clean and appropriate. While a silly picture with your friends might be fun, a clear and friendly headshot is often the best choice for recognition. Consider using a consistent photo across platforms. If you use the same profile picture on other social media or financial apps, it can help your contacts recognize you more easily across different platforms. You can change it anytime. Don't feel pressured to choose the perfect picture right away. You can always go back and change your profile picture as often as you like by following the same steps we just went through. Maybe you get a new haircut, or you have a particularly great photo from a recent event. Feel free to update your Venmo profile to reflect that. Privacy considerations. Keep in mind that your profile picture, along with your name and username, is generally visible to other Venmo users. While you can adjust some privacy settings for your transactions, your basic profile information is typically public. So, there you have it. Adding a profile picture to your Venmo account is a quick and easy process that can enhance your experience on the platform by making it more personal and recognizable. It's a small step that can make a big difference in connecting with your friends and family on Venmo. Go ahead and personalize your account. Let your profile shine. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.